my discussion is about Quillbot. So, what is Quillbot? Quillbot is a paraphrasing and summarizing tools that help millions of students and professionals cut down writing time by more than half using state-of-the-art AI to rewrite any sentence, paragraph, or article. So, this Quillbot uses artificial intelligence uh, in writing or rewriting or rephrasing or summarizing our sentences. So to access Skillboot, we can access Skillboot via Google or type directly in our URL killboot.com. So we can see this interface. We have this left panel and the right panel. So left panel, in this left panel, here we type or paste our sentences, and then we see on top of the interface, we have paraphraser, summarizer, grammar checkers, and our extensions. So let's go first to paraphraser. So what is paraphrasing? Anytime you take an idea, facts, or any other piece of information that is not your own and reword it in your own way while still conveying the original meaning or message, you are paraphrasing. If the original idea isn't your own, you must cite the source or author even when paraphrasing. So we use this commonly in research because we collect idea from different authors and we want to convey that same idea in our research, then we need to paraphrase to avoid uh, being detected as copyright, or we need to, even though we cite the name of the author, we need to paraphrase it in a way that we want to connect with our uh, current research. Okay. So in Paraphraser, we have 7 modes. So for premium version, we have this creative plus, formal, shorten, and expand. For the basic feature, we have the standard, fluency, and creative. So this three feature is very much useful for everyday writings. So what is another feature is the summary. So by the way, in our online or synchronous meeting, we have example or further discussion for our paraphraser modes. Now let's go to summary. Summary means we are summarizing. Of course, we are summarizing. Summarizing can be used to show your knowledge and test yourself in terms of how easy and simply you can convey an overview of a written or creative work. So in here, using artificial intelligence, the AI find the key thoughts of the sentence and provide us a summary for easy understanding. So in summary, we have two features. We have the key sentence and the paragraph. So given this two paragraph, by using the features key sentences, so Killbot will give us the following sentence, wherein each sentence possibly conveying the same thoughts. So, babasahin na lang natin siya para maintindihan natin yung ibig sabihin ng sentence na ito in key sentences. Another is the summarizer paragraph features. So, in paragraph features, so we have the same sentence, and then in paragraph features for summarizer, will be given a shorter versions and only ano yan, certain key point from the original paragraphs. So, this is the beauty of the summarizer. Another is the grammar checker. So in grammar checker, we have this, we paste in here So, click natin yung grammar checker and then we paste our sentence or paragraph. Then, after that, Quillbot now will identify or detects grammar errors. So, we can see here na beta pa lang ito. So, in premium version, we'll have more suggestions of or corrections in our grammar. Okay, so in here, the shortest path finder for CSPC vehicle using key nearest neighborhood algorithm is a system that will help student working and non-working employee to distinguish the best path for their vehicle. So we see that in this first sentence, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So lahat ng may line po na color red, Hilbert is saying na we can improve this word, making it more grammatically correct. So, just in here, at the bottom, we see that we have 97 words and 14 errors. So, by clicking fix all errors, so, tandaan natin muna yung yung magiging changes. Shortest, sabi niya, mayroon daw siyang suggestion for this word, shortest, using student and employee. So, I now have the shortest. Wala na yung student. Ayun. Ayan. Binago niya yung working and non-working employee. So, original natin, shortest path. Sabi niya, the shortest path. So, mas maganda siyang pakinggan. And then, vehicle parking using the. Ayan, using the. Nilagyan niya ng the. And then, on the next, sabi dito, is a system that will help students. Is a system that will help students. So, nakita natin dito, wala siyang S. Sabi niya, lagyan daw natin ng S. Another is the employee. Working and non-working employees. Working and non-working employees to distinguish the best path for their vehicle. So, that is grammar checker features of Quillbot. So, yan na. So, zero errors. Another features is the extensions. So, we have Word, Google Chrome, and Google Docs extension. So, we can just add Quillbot inside this. Another observation is the conversion of an active voice to passive voice, vice versa, in Quillbot paraphrasing. So, what is an active voice? Active voice is when the subject of the sentence perform the verb action. We say that the sentence is in the active voice. A sentence in active voice have strong, direct, and clear tone. While in passive voice, a sentence is in passive voice. On the other hand, when the subject is act on by the verb. So, passive voice is always constructed with a conjugated from form of to be plus the verb past participle. So, let's have some example of Quillbot paraphrasing, observing the conversion of active voice to passive voice, vice versa. Okay, so we have here an active voice. So, the cashier count the money. So, it is direct. While when we paraphrase this one sentence, so we have the passive voice. The money was counted by the cashier. So, another example, bananas are adorned by monkeys. Passive voice. Then, when we paraphrase this, we have an active voice. Monkeys are fond of bananas. So, that is observation in paraphrasing in Quillbot. So that is for our Is It lecture for Quillbot. So we see that Quillbot is very useful in paraphrasing and when we are want to convert the tone of our sentences.